Okay, Lobsang is preparing the dough for the Thentuk. So you can see on the recipe, which is on www.YoWangdu.com, YoWangdu.com, the amounts. But this is Thentuk for 2 people. And maybe Lobsang, you can explain what does Thentuk mean.
Thentuk is Tibetan noodle soup. Normally we cook winter time because in Tibet it's pretty cold. So Thentuk means, Ten means pull, thuk means noodle. So we are making noodle soup basically. I think I put too much water this time. I have to let this store a little while because we need to rest the flour a little while to get the little what do you call it? So you can pull pretty good. Basically,
okay, it gets more flexible after it sits for a while.
Yeah, that's it. So basically, normally, just if you have time, you should prepare the dough before.
How long before?
Maybe half an hour or an hour.
Okay.
And then dough sits ready. Okay, this is the you're gonna sit dough like this. Just like this. You can make like this. It's no big deal. Okay, like this. And then I have to add a little oil.
Okay, what's the oil do?
Oil won't stick. It's together.
Oh, okay.
I just put a little oil, not much. Like this. That's it. Then after this, you have to put in a lid on it, and then sits because we don't want to dry the dough. Okay. So I'm gonna put the lid. Basically, we're gonna put the lid here.
Okay.
That's it.
If we didn't have a lid, we could put a little plastic wrap or something, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So just to get an idea of like what all the ingredients are, there is obviously tomato, cilantro, a little bit of onion, and in here we have ginger, spinach, and green onions. And we'll also add meat, but that'll come a little later. A couple other ingredients. We decided we're going to have some potato chopped up, and we're going to put it in the pot. And so right now the pot just has a bit of oil and the onions in it. And then I'm just going to cook it until it's pretty much
now
brown.
I'm going to add some water. So water, the measurement is, whatever you think. Probably normally the measurement is in the recipe, so you can follow that. Now I'm going to boil this soup for a while, like maybe 15 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to add more water. And then ready to chew the roll. I'm adding the potatoes. Yeah. I'm going to cook this one like another 2-3 minutes. I'm adding more water. Now I'm going to start to put the noodles. This is very important. Here's the dough. You just do it like this. Like this. Like this. And you can make like this. Fold slowly. Like this. 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 And then pulling it.
Getting down to the last couple tubes of dough. Lobsang's kind of a master at this, so he does it super fast.
Spinach. This is the spinach. That's it. And then one more. And this is green onion and cilantro. Let's give you a flavor. That's about it. Okay, that's it. This is the noodle. Kind of, you done now. You don't want to cook. Okay, now ready to start.
Yummy. Oh yeah.